Hello, eighth graders. So today we're going to add a couple of key terms to our Unit 1 key terms, which is on the first page from the back of your notebook. And then we're going to do a quote versus paraphrase activity. If you are watching this after your period is over, then you will just do that by yourself on one of the empty ones that's left. When we get there, I will let you know what that means. Your only independent work will be to read for 20 plus minutes. So the key terms we're adding today are first quote and second paraphrase. And obviously the word quote is something you've heard for a long, long time. And you might say, hey, why are we writing a definition for the word quote? Everybody knows what that means. But I want to create a differentiation between quote and paraphrase. So the word quote here means taking the words directly from a person and then giving them credit. So the important part is not just taking those words, but giving that person credit. And we are going to talk about how to properly format a quote to give someone credit. And then paraphrase is taking that quote and putting it into your own words. So when you're formatting quotes, there's a way that you do it in memes and a way that you do it when you're actually writing. The wrong way to do it is keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadows, dash, 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 said by Helen Keller. That is the incorrect way to do it, okay? The right way to do it is, quote, keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadows, end quote, space, parenthesis, Keller, parenthesis, period. That is the correct way to do it. Of course, if you are writing and you want to say, according to Helen Keller, blah, 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 keep your face to the sunshine. That's another way to do it, and that's totally fine. But when you're just using a quote, we use the parenthetical citation, which is what this is called. So the activity you're going to be doing is about citing and paraphrasing quotes. So you are going to use a quote that is going to be given to you, and you are going to reformat that quote. It's going to be wrong. It's going to be formatted incorrectly when you find it. So you're going to have to change the formatting and make it look the way it's supposed to look. Pay attention to that punctuation, okay? And then you're going to paraphrase that in the next box down here, where you will use your own words to explain the quote. So having something and losing it feels worse than never having had it. That's an explanation for it's so much darker when a light goes out than it would have been if it had never shone. And that's John Steinbeck who said that. And then you're going to find a few pictures that sort of represent the quote that you've chosen. So when you do this, it will look, it'll look a little different, but you're going to click on the link for your period. And this slide is linked in Otis in the lessons for this week. So when you get to Otis, go to the lessons and find this breakout activity. You'll see this slide only. And if you're in third period, you'll click on this link and it will take you to the activity. And then if you're doing this after the fact on your own, then you just scroll down to the next available slide that's open that hasn't been worked on yet. Okay? This is all practice for what we'll be doing tomorrow, which is a summative version of a very similar activity. So make sure you get this done so that you're very prepared for tomorrow's summative. It will be the first summative in the gradebook for this class. Okay? And email me if you have any questions. Thank you.